Welcome to Rhino Africa's Travel Tips, your guide to luxury African travel from the world's best safari company. Packing for an African safari is no easy task. Here are some of our recommended essentials. Summer clothing. Africa has warm weather all year round. Pack a hat and light summery outfits to keep you cool and comfy. Sunscreen. The African sun is potent, making sunscreen an absolute must. Regularly applying is the safest way to prevent a nasty burn. Warm clothing. Early morning and late evening game drives on safari can get chilly. A warm jacket, beanie and light gloves are always a good idea. Smart clothing. Planning to dress up for a private dinner at a lodge or a night out at a trendy spot in the city? A set of smart casual clothes come in handy. Camera and memory cards. Amazing memories are around every corner in Africa. Having a camera and enough memory cards for stacks of photos is essential. This was Rhino Africa's Travel Tips. Let's start planning your next African adventure.